in nature, grazers were large herds of animals, often chased by prey, and the predator-prey relationship created an environment where the herd was always moving. And so there was large impact on land and then big recovery periods. And that's essentially what intensive rangeland management is promoting, is high stocking rates for short amount of time and long recovery periods. And some of the fascinating things that are coming out of this is we're seeing perennial native grasses coming back on their own, not even with the planted seed. You know, the scientists say that the native perennial grass seeds of California might last 50 plus years in the ground. So it's only through management techniques that they're suddenly popping up. And it's because of biomimicry. It's by looking at nature, mimicking it, and then all of a sudden having a change in the land shape. And the perennial native grasses of California are a perfect example of that, to where certain management techniques are promoting those grasses coming back, and the invasive annuals, the European annuals, are having trouble competing, whereas in the continuous grazing model, the European annuals always win out.